In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can set up a new business branch in WinkSell. Your business may have multiple branches at different locations, and to manage all of them with WinkSell, you need to add them into the system, and this is what we are going to learn in this video. To set up a new business or a branch of your business, we need to click on this Add New Branch button here. This will open a form where we need to fill in all the required information about the business or branch. Enter the branch name, select business type, then select country, then TRN, and then address. Then select the invoice format. Invoice format is basically the sales invoice, which is dispensed to the customer at the time of the sale. You can choose any format depending on the size of the printer you will be using to print invoices. Then select the pricing policy for this branch, if it's going to sell products including or excluding VAT. Next is the status of the branch. By default, status is active, and if you ever want to remove this branch from the system, you can simply change the status to inactive. The next is the return period, which is how many days any customer can return the goods within. For example, if you set this value at 7, and then any customer comes to return the product on the 8th day, the system won't allow this return because the return is only allowed within the return period, so you need to choose this according to your policy. And the last field is the return policy, which is the note that is printed at the end of each invoice declaring the return policy. After filling in all the info, once I click this Add button here, the branch will get added into the system. That's it. Now, if you want to edit any info, for example, you want to change the return policy for any of your branches. In such a case, just click on Edit button here, update the details, and then click on Update button here. This will update the information. That's all about the branches, and I hope now you know everything about managing your business branches in WinkSell. And to learn things like managing products, users, reports, or accounts, please watch our other videos.